Imagine living in a world where your windows shield you from prying eyes without sacrificing natural light. This isn't a futuristic fantasy, it's the reality offered by obscure glass. The quest for privacy in our homes and offices is an ongoing battle, with traditional solutions often blocking out the sun or feeling too enclosed. Obscure glass, however, offers a unique solution. It's designed to let the light in while keeping curious looks out, providing an optimal balance between privacy and illumination. By using various patterns, textures, or coatings, obscure glass distorts the view from the outside, making it difficult for anyone to see in, without compromising on the brightness and openness of your space. If you've ever wondered how to maintain privacy without living in the dark or feeling boxed in, obscure glass is the answer you've been searching for. Are you intrigued by how obscure glass can change the way you protect your privacy while letting the light in? Leave a comment or send a message to dive deeper into the world of obscure glass and discover how it can enhance the privacy and beauty of your spaces. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share the video.